And let's cut across to breaking news that's coming in. This is the Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind taking a stand against the Uniform Civil Code. The Muslim body has shot off a warning to the centre, saying don't tinker with Shariat law. Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind has taken on the UCC. Remember, they're holding a mega meeting with 5,000 Muslim bodies coming together, and now a proposal has been in fact forwarded by the Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind, saying clearly that they're against one India, one personal law. And they've told the centre that they will not allow any interference with their law, with Islamic law, with Shariat. This is a message that the Muslim body has put forth. Not the first time that we're seeing a Muslim organization coming out and opposing Uniform Civil Code, but the fact that this is happening at a time when there's a lot more discussion about this issue, with a panel also being formed in Uttarakhand and a lot of buzz that the BJP is actually seriously considering this, the Muslim body, Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind, has put out a clear, stern message saying nobody can mess with our religious law, with Islamic law. We will simply not allow it. Several Muslim organizations have made it very clear that they're against the Uniform Civil Code. So even as we've been seeing, of course, day two of that huge gathering in Uttar Pradesh's Deoband, and several issues with regards to the Gyanvapi Mosque controversy, with what's happening with the Qutub Minar monument and several other such pressing issues, Uniform Civil Code has also now been brought up in that meeting, with in fact the Muslim body coming together to say that they will not allow any sort of interference in Shariat, in Islamic law. Now, the Jamiat Ulama-e-Hind has actually put out this message for a reason. There's a growing clamour to implement Uniform Civil Code, and it's intensified because the Uttarakhand government has formed a panel after months of deliberations with an eye on implementation. This UCC panel will be headed by a retired Supreme Court judge. A draft proposal will soon be released. There's also a political slugfest that's broken out over the Dhami government's decision.
Chorus for Uniform Civil Code grows louder. After months of deliberations, Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Dhami has finally formed a panel for UCC implementation in the hill state. The committee, headed by a retired SC judge, will draft a proposal soon.
हम जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं, और हमने पहले ही कहा था कि हम इस पर, हमारी सरकार ने निर्णय ले लिया है। चुनाव से पहले हमने संकल्प लिया था। आज हमने वो कमेटी बना दी है और कमेटी जल्दी ही ड्राफ्ट तैयार करेगी, और ड्राफ्ट तैयार होने के बाद हम उसको लागू करेंगे।
The points of reference for draft include marriage, divorce, property rights and laws pertaining to rights of inheritance, heritage and adoption. Union Minister Ajay Bhatt was quick to laud the decision taken by the Uttarakhand CM.
सरकार की नीयत बहुत साफ है, किसी को तंग और परेशान करने की नीयत नहीं है। कॉमन सिविल कोड की बात मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कही है, जिसका सभी ने समर्थन किया है, पूरा प्रदेश साथ में।
While the BJP hailed the move, the Congress slammed Dhami's push for UCC.
देखिए, जो वादा उत्तराखंड के यशस्वी मुख्यमंत्री जी पुष्कर सिंह धामी जी ने चुनावों से पहले किया था, आज उस वादे को वो पूर्ण तरीके से निभाने का काम कर रहे हैं, और इसीलिए आज एक कमेटी भी गठित की गई है। परंतु यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड के नाम पर मिस इन्फॉर्म करने वाली जो अनसिविल कमेटी है, वो बार बार इस मामले पर भी अब राजनीति पर उतर आई है।
अगर राज्य सरकार की ये का प्रयास है तो ठीक है, वो उसका मसवदा तैयार करे और मसवदा को पेश करे, और उस पर बहस होनी चाहिए, उस पर चिंतन होना चाहिए। अगर ये इतना आसान होता यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड, तो ये कब का बन गया होता।
The Uniform Civil Code is a proposal to formulate and implement personal laws which will apply to all communities equally. On May 2nd, the Himachal CM had announced that the UCC will be brought into the state soon. Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Madhya Pradesh are among the states demanding UCC. Notably, in the BJP's 2019 Lok Sabha election manifesto, it had promised the implementation of UCC. With the clamour growing, is one nation, one law going to be a reality soon? Bureau Report,